You look at his numbers on the year, and he's been struggling as well, as Michael told you. 6 starts, 2-3, an inflated ERA 7.50. 19 strikeouts in 30 innings go along with 10 walks. Opponents are hitting .354 against him. You figure that's going to come down. Here's our scouting report on Ricky Porcello.
Tigers won the first game of the series on Monday 5-4. That one is chopped slowly to short, charging Everett. Doesn't have much time, fires, and they just got Gardner. The 2-1. Grounded to second. It's going to be an easy 1-2-3 inning for Rick Porcello as he retires the Yankees in order. That one's driven deep to right field. Going back, Bosch on the track at the wall. He makes the play. Brendan Bosch goes back calmly, finds the wall, reaches up, and pulls it back for the final out of the inning. Would it have gone out? Swing and a miss. Overpowered him. Swisher down on strikes. Bosch and Jackson have good arms. Damon not so much, but that doesn't come into play as Pena swings and misses. So chopped slowly over the mound. Santiago charges, and they get the hustling Teixeira. Like that. 2-2. Soft ground ball to short. Backhanded by Everett, the long throw. 3 hits, his 2 runs on 4 hits.
Look out.
That one is off Porcello. Kicks out to Everett, who fires to first. And we'll see if Porcello is okay. It's a 1-6-3. But the Tigers are worried about their young right-hander who's waving everybody off. Chop toward Inge. There's one. On to first. It's a double play and around the horn. 5-4-3 double play.